My name is Zohreh Motamedi. I'm a professor at Sheridan College in electrical engineering program. Right now we are sitting in a robotics club. This is opportunity for students to get more involved in the extracurriculum activities in the college, working with the drones, different microcontrollers, learning coding, even the student with no knowledge previously, with the very basic knowledge, the student in first year program, they're always welcome to attend our club here and learn and have some kind of networking with different students from different programs. This gives a student more hands-on experience because the labs could be done individually by the students. Each student, they have access to all the equipment all the time. Being a professor at Sheridan, teaching electrical engineering, I'm really glad that I can unlock the potential of my students and give them a bright future. Hopefully, I'm a part of that.